question. What does husbands want the most from their wives?
Peace and quiet.
Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Trisha
and I'm Leonard,
and together
we are the Youngs.
Yes guys, and today guys we'll be doing the challenge asking my husband questions women, or rather girls, are afraid to ask. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button down below, like out the video guys, share, comment and subscribe. Are you nervous? Yeah.
No.
Alright. So the first question, Leonard, is or rather, was I your first choice?
The first choice?
Yes, we are married. Was I your first choice to be married to or in a relationship with? Even not talking necessarily about marriage, but relationship wise. Was I your first choice or may I back up?
Oh yeah, looks so.
You mean from the beginning of time?
What do you mean by?
Like from the
Going to high school, going to university.
Know you?
Yes.
If you were my first choice?
Oh yeah, man, I'm a first choice. I want them to sound too convincing people, what do you think? No, man, I'm a first choice.
You see me hunt you?
Alright.
Hunt you like how, what do you call it now?
Keep it on bush for a while, man. Seriously?
Leonard, seriously. I'm so flattered.
You should be.
Alright. Question number 2. Would you marry me again?
Of course I would, in a heartbeat. In a heartbeat I would.
Plant one there, so. So guys, with the guy just woke up, I decided to take the spotlight and to join in, right? Alright. The third question, Leo. Are you truly happy?
Am I truly happy? Of course I am truly happy.
So it takes a long to answer.
You have to think.
You have to think.
Yeah.
You must think about that.
Yeah man, I'm truly happy.
You're truly happy.
I have a wonderful wife, wonderful kids.
Or somebody that will suck my your head. Somebody that will suck my head. I don't know.
Me just nobody that will not know me.
Alright, him say happy people. The fourth question. What are your thoughts on public display of affection? For example, couple walking in public and hugging and kissing and all of that. What are your thoughts?
I mean, you can do it, but don't overdo it. Yeah.
What is overdoing it?
Eh?
What is overdoing it?
I go on like in the bedroom, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have a problem with me and you walking and holding hands, or me
No, not a problem.
giving you a little smooch?
Not a problem at all.
Alright, because I love to do it. I love to walk and hold hand and to give you a little smooch. You know me?
I love walk and hold on too.
Little, yeah, even walk and hold my hand, but he not go smooch me. I'll go behind him and, you know, hug him up and stuff. You know do that, B?
Okay.
From behind in public.
Rocks, well, of course. I'll pay there. But
Probably I leave me around then come show me I do it. I do
In private, yes, at home, but we can't recall.
I mean, in public, some more things going on. You
True.
understand?
Sometimes we're just trying to
You're just trying to get
manage
to
the kids.
Get to destination, manage kids. So you're probably not fine after that in public, but that's something I'm supposed to.
Alright, question number 4. Does body hair matter?
Body hair.
All over the body. Legs, hands,
I mean,
privates. What do you think about body hair?
Body here. The cleaner the better.
The cleaner?
Yeah.
But I'm a hairy girl.
I want to say a hairy. No, sir.
On my hand and my legs big.
I mean, a little hair on the hand, that's quite natural. That's nothing
But
wrong with that.
what about on your private?
Private nothing have my hair, man.
Alright, you say no hair people.
Private nothing have my hair, understand?
Alright. Would you care to elaborate why?
Why? Because the less you the better.
Alright. Can't give too much information now, sweetie guy.
The less you the better, man, I understand. Yeah,
Number Number 5. What are your thoughts on period?
Period.
Mm-hmm.
Thumb up. That's something natural. I mean, you have to just live with it, work around it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And what does husbands want the most from their wives?
Peace and quiet. Less nagging.
Like seriously.
Less nagging. All husbands want less nagging. from
No,
their
but all you have to do is just agree and move along.
Less nagging.
Alright, he said less nagging. So am I a nagging wife?
Of course, when you're ready.
Me not even I said nothing because that's true.
Alright.
Alright.
Not in the life on camera.
I ain't lying at all, people. The next question: what are your pet peeves about me?
Everything she open up, she don't close. Big pet peeve.
And for some reason, I know she doesn't learn.
I true people.
Think
I don't know where I'm going
I
to
think I'm moving.
Somebody can help her.
I'm moving a little fast, right? So you know, I have to be.
Doing 100 things at once, so sometimes guys I really don't close things back properly. So that's a big pet peeve.
Another question: what does men think about morning breath?
Morning bread?
Mm-hmm. You wake up in the morning and
I mean,
kiss without brushing teeth.
no problem.
You not have no problem with it.
If you're choops, no problem.
But you can't do French kiss and something with stinking bread. Stinking man bread. That is what I
Alright. So what do you think about couples who do it?
Well, if them can stomach that.
Leah talk like my mouth breath stink. People Leah
If them can stomach that for their problem.
Leah, but once I brush my teeth at night time before I go to my bed and don't eat after, my breath generally smell good in the morning, true or false?
Yeah, I mean, but it's not the freshest.
But
So
it's not
you're not gonna add the French in the morning with, you know,
actual
overnight bread. Come on, man.
I mean, I'm not
Some level of
into-
decency, please.
Yes. It's true words. I'm not into morning kissing either. Brush your teeth and come back to me, alright? What makes men cheat? We
What
need
make
to know
man
this.
cheat?
What makes men cheat?
It's a hard one. If you ask me still, no, cause that the farthest thing from my mind. But obviously, is a whole heap of things. Some man just don't need a reason to cheat. Them just do it because it was just the right time, the right person, the right place.
So
And it's like, okay, that's finished. Let me go home to my wife now. All is good.
Have you ever cheated?
No, sir.
You
I know
blink
cheat.
twice people. You go so.
I was a blink people.
Alright.
100 times blink. Shoot at that.
does boobs or buttocks size matter?
Alright, for me, every man have them preference. I'm not a buttocks type of guy. I'm a breast type of guy.
I don't like that. I don't love them too small. I don't love them overly big.
All of them just right. Yeah.
So it matter. It
Yeah,
doesn't
it matter.
matter with the but Leo, before having
Physically to me, attraction wise, it matters.
But babe, before having kids, I always have boobs, people. Skinny, slim, but I always have boobs. But now my boobs don't get much bigger.
That's not what you think. And then I sperm again. You understand? I have 3 kids with breastfeed.
So what are your thoughts on that?
No, I can't look on that like that because
Stuff happen.
Stop that.
I mean, come on, we expect these things to happen. So you understand? It is what it is.
Alright. So what do you think of my breasts? The milk production, the breasts, these love soft creatures. What do you think?
Them very nice.
Alright.
I love them.
You still like them people.
I love them, man. I want them after the kids are done with them.
Alright. And then don't have a shot them.
Whatever left, more take.
So next question. Do you like it when girls make the first move? Like what do you think about a female, a girl approaching a male?
No problem.
Okay.
Approach all them want.
Is it frowned upon though?
By who? The man? No.
You think? Do you think that some guys would think the female is too fast? You know, fast like love
Probably they like
and
that.
them something that they like it. Okay.
Easy for them.
Well, how do you think, or what do you feel about your wife, or a girl? Not necessarily you, but you're answering on the behalf of men. What do you think of a girl having multiple male friends?
Multiple male friends? Not wrong with that.
Even if they're married or in a serious relationship? What do you think about that?
No problem. As long as them are your friend. No problem.
So the next question, do you prefer women with makeup or no makeup?
No makeup. Straight.
Why?
Natural.
You think most men prefer women with makeup or no makeup?
No makeup.
Most men?
Yes.
Hair or no hair? Like
Let me-
natural hair or weaves and wigs?
Me not have a preference as it relates to that, really and truly. Because I understand that some situation the natural hair does hard for us to take care of. So I mean, me don't want she like surprise me still have a nice wig, and then when time she take off the wig is like what? Me don't know too sure what going on in there, so but have a nice hair and I need the wig, please. No, we can't imagine surprise there. Yeah.
No, but suppose I meet a person with no hair and then the wig or no nice hair. What you call nice hair?
Nice hair? Yeah. Well kept.
Okay.
Yeah, well kept hair.
Well, I love my natural hair. I prefer my natural hair over wearing wigs, but as Leah said, it's like sometimes it's very hard to manage it. One last question. Why did you break up with your ex?
Why? She wasn't the one. Simple.
Alright, yes, people if you answer it right. You get it 100%
that,
right
man.
and so. So guys, those were all the questions. I hope Leo gave you some insight on how men think. When it comes to men, I'm spilling the juice, in spilling secrets. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time.